Hi, Jesse from ICM Controls. Today we're going to be introducing you to our three-phase programmable line voltage monitors. We offer two models here at ICM, the 450A and the ICM450A PLUS. Both offer superior protection for motors and compressors by monitoring for under and over voltage, voltage unbalance, phase loss, and phase reversal. The differences between the two models is that the ICM450A PLUS offers RS-485 Modbus communication ports, and it also allows for real-time and date stamping. Today we're at the ICM corporate headquarters and we're going to be installing the ICM450A on an injection molding piece of equipment in the manufacturing facility.
Shut off power to the appropriate disconnect. Verify all power is off with a voltage meter before proceeding with the installation. Mount the ICM450A line voltage monitor in a suitable location. Prepare wires with fully insulated 1/4-inch quick connects and cut wires to length. In the case of this installation, we've prepared 3 wires to connect in parallel with the line side of the equipment, as well as 2 wires to connect to the control circuit. Step 1. Connect the line side of the service disconnect or contactor in parallel to the L1, L2, and L3 terminals on the ICM450A. Ensure a safe and secure connection has been achieved. Step 2. Find the control circuit you wish to interrupt. Remove one leg of the control signal and connect it directly to the COM terminal, labeled number 1 on the ICM450A. In this instance, the factory wire was not long enough and needed to be extended via a spliced connection. Step 3. Run a wire from the normally open terminal, labeled number 2, on the ICM450A back to the previously disconnected terminal on the control signal input. Turn on the power to verify the installation was successful. Check the phase-to-phase line voltage reading with a voltage meter. From the ICM450A setup menu, set your line voltage accordingly. Next, establish your delay on break set point. Next, establish the delay on fault set point. Set your overvoltage percentage to the recommended value or to equipment specifications. Then, set your undervoltage percentage to the recommended value or to equipment specifications. Lastly, set the phase unbalance to the recommended value or to equipment specifications. To see the full setup menu options, descriptions, and recommendations for the ICM450A, refer to the installation guide.
That wraps up the installation of the ICM450A. I appreciate you watching, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to contact technical support at ICM. You can find that number on ICMcontrols.com.